So what you can also do inside of Teams is search for things easily. So let's say, for example, you're searching for, let's say, people, and you can go around and type in the name of the people right here, and you can see it shows up people. Similarly, since I typed in tutor, you can see meetings with the name tutor right there opens up as well. So let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to search messages with the word hi. So I'm just going to go around, type in hi, press enter, and you can see that it shows up messages over here with the word hi right here. And you can also expand this and see or go to messages over here as well. You can also filter out the content by, let's say, for example, your mentions right here, or you can filter it out according to attachments over here as well. You can also search for files right here, and if there's files containing the word right here, then it'll show up. You can also select who the message is from right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around right here and select out like TutorTube second account, or let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and select out TutorTube YouTube channel right here. Then it shows up over here, as you can see. So similarly, what you can do is you can select out date, like let's say you want messages filtered out based on the date right here this week, then you can do this as well. Or you can select from or to over here as well, and then apply out the date right here, and then it'll filter out the messages that is the whatever you find in search accordingly, just like this. And that is how you can use the search tool to find out specific things inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.